I just plugged this in. It's on off right now, but if you push the middle button, it will come on. It's in Celsius. It's 200 degrees Celsius right now, so I'm gonna let it heat up. Make sure this piece here is not down, because if you put it on your countertop at that point, it is going to not be good. Make sure this is flipped up. That way you have protection when you put it down. My hair is just air dried right now. I have extremely thick hair. I'm gonna go through just this one layer to show you. I'll do the whole thing in fast speed, and then you guys can see the final product. All right, it's at 200. So I go all the way to the top. I put it lower, but then move it closer because I don't want to burn myself. I usually hold it in place for 15 seconds before moving it on. I have sped this part up for you. You can see here how it gives a wave. So I'll do the rest of my hair now and show you guys at the end. This time I've sped it up really fast for you guys. I do section it off in smaller pieces since my hair is so thick and I want the waves to hold. Yay, I've made it to my last layer. I'm almost done. I think this look comes out to be really fun when it's finished. I comb my hair through my fingers to get it to look the way that I want to, and here it is. This is the final product and I'm really happy with it. It's a super fun look.